Tired of project management feeling like herding cats? Let's ditch the chaos and set up a Basecamp account to streamline your team's collaboration. First, head over to Basecamp.com. You'll see a prominent button inviting you to start a free trial. Click it. Now, enter your email address. This will be your primary login for Basecamp, so make sure it's an address you check regularly. On the next screen, you'll choose your Basecamp plan for smaller teams or personal use. The free plan might be perfect. Larger teams with more complex needs can opt for the Basecamp business plan, which offers unlimited projects and more storage. Select the plan that fits your needs. Next, fill out the registration form. This includes your name, company name if applicable, and a strong, secure password. Remember to create a password you won't forget. Once you've submitted the form, Basecamp will guide you through a brief onboarding process. You'll see a welcome screen with example projects to help you get familiar with the interface. Take some time to explore the different features, like to-do lists, message boards, and file sharing. Basecamp is designed to be intuitive, so don't be afraid to click around and experiment. To get your team on board, look for the Invite Team Members button. You can add colleagues via email address, allowing them to collaborate on projects seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Basecamp account and are ready to start managing your projects more efficiently. Happy collaborating! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks.